How to get AI Manga Filter on TikTok. First, go to your TikTok application and then just tap on Create. And here tap on Effects. And here you can see I have AI Manga Filter in my filters. But if it's not available for you, then go back and then go to Discover. After coming into Discover, search AI Manga. And then just tap on any video, and here you can see there is an option of filter AI manga. Just tap on it and then you will be directed to this page. Here tap on use this effect. So now you can use your AI manga filter. So subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.